This problem asks us to find the length of the green string. Right now, what values are we missing? So right now, what values are we missing? So we have the space between the two circles, right? 12 and 12. What we're missing is the arc length, where the green string lies around the circle. We're missing two arc lengths here, the one on the left circle and the one on the right circle. How do we find arc length? Okay. And in your notes, what does it say for finding arc length? What is the proportion?
X over 2 pi r equals angle over 360.
Okay. Now, do you think we actually need to know what the radius is here? Why not? Oh, 2 pi r is the formula for what? Circumference. So instead of putting 2 pi r here, this is actually the circumference. So what is the circumference on this first circle? On the big circle? 14 equals, what's the angle on the big circle? And then how do we solve this? You cross multiply. So 360 times x is 360x equals, what's 14 times 190? And then what do I do to solve for x? And what is my answer? Good. That is my very first arc length. 7.39 inches. Now, to find the other arc length, I do the exact same thing on the small circle. X over, what's the circumference, equals, what's the angle?
175.
Good. And then what do I do to solve here? How do I know I can cross multiply?
You have an equal sign.
Between two what? This whole thing is a proportion between two fractions or ratios. So that's how I know I can cross multiply here. X times 360 is how much? And 10 times 175 is what? Where, now let's review, where do I put that 1750? Do I put it under, like this? Because that's what I saw a lot of last unit. Where should that go? Oh, you set them equal, good. And then what do I do to solve for x? And what is x?
4.86.
So that is our second arc. So, what do I now do to find the entire length of the green?
You add all of those up.
Add them all up. 12 plus 12 plus 4.86 plus 7.39, and I get
36.25.
in, what's my unit? Inches what? No. It's a length. Is it two-dimensional? Is the string thick? Oh, it's just a length. It's just inches. I did. Any questions here? Yes, we do need our notebooks. Any questions on this problem? So does anyone now see why dividing the circumference in half to get the arc length was pure luck? Why did that almost work?
Because 75 is up there and 190. Up there and 190.
Oh, so they kind of average each other out, right? They're both really, really close to 180, but not quite 180. So yes, your answer was close, but it wasn't very accurate.